Hey Java Nuts, it's Coffee Tie. Cold brew has increased in popularity in the past few years and it's easy to see why. And the best part, it's super simple to brew. All you need is your favorite coffee, the smoother the better, a French press, a measuring cup, some good water, and a lot of patience. The trick to cold brew is to use twice the grounds you would normally use per cup, for an average of 2 tablespoons per cup. Now add water to your grounds. Ensure you measure your water so that your coffee isn't too weak or too strong, but just right. We're making 2 cups. Fill a bit past your mark because the grounds will absorb some of that water. Stir using a wooden apparatus. Make sure that all of your grounds are well saturated. When the spinning slows, stir again. Add the plunger but do not press. You want to allow the mixture to brew in a cool, dark place. If a dedicated dark space is not possible in your kitchen, a good trick to use is taping 2 sheets of paper together to create a double wall and tape this to your French press, transforming it into its own dark space. Make sure to use masking tape to avoid damaging your French press. Label the paper with what it is and the brew start time. Now set it aside to rest. Cold brew needs to brew for 12 to 14 hours. Exceeding the 14-hour mark will likely yield a bitter brew, while brewing for less than 12 hours will yield a weak and underdeveloped cup. Now we exercise patience. Here we are 13 hours later. Carefully remove the wrap. Now the plunger. Stir one last time. Replace the plunger and gently press. Pour this nectar into an airtight container, such as a mason jar. If you have a nut milk bag laying around, pour your brew through it as an added level of filtration. Since cold brew will last about a week in the fridge, it's important to label it with today's date. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are sure to benefit. I read all of my comments, so feel free to comment below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos. As always, all products featured here are linked in the description below. I'll catch you on our next adventure.